So, plant oils are high in unsaturated fatty acid compared ito mga animal fat. That's why mas liquid hira at room temperature, di ba? Kay kon liquid hira, if you madagmit lera matuna, to lower melting point. Kay damot ira unsaturated, meaning mga double bonds. Okay. Then, may nakita di conversion of oils in the process of hydrogenation. Common na mga pagkaon, labi na kung may mga oil na pagkaon, kita dito tuyo. May na nakaputang dito hydrogenated palm oil, meaning they are an imo mga double bond, an imo mga ansat ito nga fatty acid, gimbutangan hydrogen. So, making it a saturated fatty acid, just like margarine. But margarine nimo, that is an oil tikang tanom, tapos ginihimo yang baganayan wax at room temperature. Margarine, di ba? May danganik margarine dito, di ba? Margarine. So, I have here margarine. So, makikita mo talaga tiya sulod nga um, waxy. So, waxy kay ging convert an imo ansat and double bond into a hydrogenated, giputangan hydrogen. That is a chemical reaction nga giputangan in hydrogen an imo bond. We have glycerol, dili can discuss niya. So, glycerol is common ini mga pag-store naton energy, glycerol. A 3-carbon compound that contains 3 hydroxyl groups. So, amot iya structure, glycerol. May niya 3 hydroxyl. Hydroxyl is OH. So, may niya tulo nga OH nga group. Nakabutang. And then, triacyl glycerol, a lipid formed. So, lipid din niya nga formed by gini-esterify. Ester is gibubutangan oxygen. Kitaan functional group ng oxygen. Esterification of 3 fatty acids to glycerol. So, tulo ka fatty acid, meaning an ini mga lauric, palmitic, mga inhera. We call this fatty acids, and then ginkakatuira to glycerol. So, we can see chemical reactions. So, anyway, bubulag ko talagang HLO, may nakita part nga we will go on more to chemical reactions, organic chemical reactions. Of course, to understand more iton imo biochemical compounds, how it interacts or make metabolisms. Di ba kay puro tayo mga chemical reaction as it interacts with living systems, cell or any part, enzymes, proteins, and so on and so forth. So, adin imo mga fatty acids, mga common. Kumuha kan mga oil ang mga tanom-tanom, amo na pagkakagawas. Or saragol na air, depende ko na turda mo. Just like kumuha kan fatty acid, di ka nga imo oil, imo palm, di ba? Ito palmitic acid. So, iti mo part, adi man, imo COOH, that is a COH, that is the acid part. The fatty acid is ini nga part amon imo hydrophobic, hydrophilic ini nga side, meaning polar. Okay? So, you have your fatty acid, and then you have your melting point of fatty acid. And then, molecular triglycerides do not occur as coupons and membranes. They accumulate in adipose tissues, primarily fat cells. So, lipids are stored as fat cells and provide means of storing fatty acids, particularly in animals. Sa amin ito, nananambok kita kung sige kitang kaon. Baboy, pag pinakaon na, di ba, natambok, nadamot iya taba. So, gini-istorya adipose tissue. Tanalay niyo. So, usually, they are triacyl glycerol. Dirira part good, pero dirira part, pero pag na-consume naton, ginka-convert hira into dirira ada good membranes, pero i-store hira. Ini triacyl glycerol. So, ano to glycerol ito nga tulo ka, di ba kanina gibasa ta fatty acids nga I think oxidation tiya term didi esterification, paghimon ester linkage, that is oxygen among carbon kita niyo ang functional groups sa amoy to didi. And then you have unsaturated, common nga unsaturated fatty acid, meaning may mga double bonds, adi ang palmitoleic, oleic, linoleic, linolenic, and arachidonic. So, may danira number nga 16-1, 18-1, meaning 16 ang carbon, 1 ang imo double bond, 18-1, 18 carbon, 1 double bond. Linoleic, you have 18 carbons, 2 ang imo double bond. Di man, no? Double bond. Okay? Melting point is -5. So, makikita natin nga durodamo ang double bond, 24 o mas himubo ang iya melting point, meaning mga himubo ang melting point, meaning madagmi tira matunaw, meaning liquid hira at compared it iba. Iba kay madagmi tira matunaw. Meaning higher tira melting point. So lower melting point is mas lower melting point hurumubo temperature na natutunaw hira, so oil hira. Samantalang ang higher melting point mga wax hira. Okay? Damit correct signal. 6 minutes na. So this is triacylglycerol. Timan mo fatty acid tulong nga fatty acid then connected with an oxygen. Amilon esterification. So gini-esterify meaning ito nga hydrogen ginliliwanan hin carbon. Di ba? So, kitan ester is carbon, oxygen carbon. Kitan functional group nimo carbon. So this is a triacylglycerol. A mixed triacylglycerol. So may dapan ni mixture may kinkliwat adi. Anyway, sa halal da may mga term. And then we have the term saponification. Paghimuhin sabon. That is a chemical reaction paghimuhin soap. So that term is saponification. I think di man. So saponification usually is soap kasi o salt. Salt is a reaction of acids and base and it produces neutralization plus a salt. So actually your soap is a salt. That's why saponification comes in. Okay? Ani mo taba is a fatty acid tapos ibubutangan mo tiyan base, sodium hydroxide. I think mag-experiment kita ini. So, it imo ito chemical reaction is what we call saponification. Ngan an imo of course acids and base, the OH and the H is naging neutral and then what remains is an imo salt. Usually niya case kung taba nga nin sodium hydroxide nakakahimo kahin sabon. Saponification. Amo ito the word in soap. Adi man, creams, lotions, even paghimuhan nitroglycerin niya bomba. Pwede ka makahimuhin. Pwede experiment natin paghimong bomba. I'm just joking. Pwede kita masabtan. Pwede ito ako na lang mag-experiment. I think nag-try ka pero delikado kasi tiya pasuan na po tiya. Kay glycerin niya daan, nitroglycerin. So it is possible for one of the alcohol groups of glycerol to be esterified by anyway, basahan na lang yung ada. Tatakon lang mga major nga chunks. So I think 8 minutes na. So I'll have to cut it short para di relot boring.